विकसित भारत, आज नहीं अपने बच्चों के लिए हम लोग सोच रहे हैं, 25 साल के लिए सोच रहे हैं. And on the other hand, the opposition is putting out खटाखट के नारे, संविधान बदलना है. Sorry, I want to make this slightly political because to land my point I have to. And therefore I think we are very charged up by the fact that this population of 140 crore people chose something which was दूरगामी. उन्होंने अपने बच्चों के बारे में सोचा, ये नहीं कि अगले परसों मेरे बैंक अकाउंट में 8,500 रुपये आ जाएंगे. तो मैं साधुवाद देना चाहता हूँ भारत की जनता को that they endorse this parliament by saying that you come into power with a long-term agenda of growth. And as I discussed before in my answer, growth is not just GDP growth. Growth is also the growth of individuals, growth of culture and other things. Now coming to the point you raised, which is I think we are in absolute majority. The NDA has got a very strong government. Our colleague on the left-hand side is also part of that government in that sense. I think we are charged up. We're very interested in having an honest debate with the opposition, and I think the opposition is doing a good job. I think we need to make sure that together we charge up for the next 25 years and do it. In terms of legislating for the growth, I mean, there are hurdles. There are many things that we need to do. There has to be, this is a passion that I have held for the last 16 years, there has to be a groundswell of udyamita, of entrepreneurship, which drives growth. It cannot just be सरकार से growth आएगी. It has also to be समाज को ले जाना, private sector को ले जाना. यहाँ कई private sector के लोग बैठे हुए हैं. मैं उनको आग्रह करना चाहता हूँ, आप समाज की तरफ देखिए, सरकार की तरफ मत देखिए हर समय. सरकार को मैं आग्रह करना चाहता हूँ, मैंने भी अंतरिक्ष की रणनीति बनाई है, तो मैंने देखा जब हम लोगों ने उस समय बात करना शुरू किया तो सब लोग सरकार की तरफ देख रहे थे. सबसे प्रथम आज के डिजिटल में तो हमारा प्राइवेट सेक्टर कर रहा है. सो दिस होल ऑफ नेशन अप्रोच टू ग्रोथ, विच इज़ हाउ द प्राइम मिनिस्टर इज डिफाइंड how we should work in the next 25 years is essential for us to take forward. And I'm delighted that PAFI is a forum which is taking all these factors together to make that happen.